Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Luke. I'm from Chicago in the USA.
Hi guys, I'm Megan. I'm from Seattle. We're friends and we love talking in simple English, so you can learn with us.
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about something a little scary, losing your wallet in a big, busy city.
Oh yes, it happened to me 2 months ago.
Really? Okay, let's start. How are you today, Megan?
I'm good, thank you. Just drinking some coffee. How about you?
Same here. Big cup of coffee, perfect for a Saturday morning.
Totally. So, lost wallet. Do you want to hear my story first?
Yes, please, tell me everything.
Okay. So 2 months ago, I was in New York City with my sister. We were walking in Times Square, super busy, thousands of people, lights everywhere.
Wow, Times Square is crazy.
Right? So I had my small red wallet in my back pocket. And after maybe 20 minutes, I wanted to buy a hot dog. I put my hand in my pocket. Nothing. Empty.
Oh no, what did you feel at that moment?
My heart started beating so fast. I was like, no, this is not happening. I checked all my pockets, my bag, nothing.
I know that feeling. Panic.
Exactly. Panic mode. So first thing I did, I stopped walking and just stood there for a second.
Good. Stopping is smart. What next?
I took a deep breath, 1, 2, 3, and I tried to remember the last time I used the wallet. I paid for the subway, then we walked outside, then that's it.
So maybe on the subway or just outside.
Yes. My sister said, Megan, calm down. We can fix this. She's always the calm one.
I need a sister like that.
So, step 1, we went back the same way very slowly, looking on the ground. Nothing.
Nothing at all?
0. Then I thought, maybe someone picked it up. In my wallet, I had my ID, 2 credit cards, and about $80 cash.
Not too much cash. That's lucky.
Yeah, I never carry a lot of cash. Lesson number 1, guys.
Okay, so what did you do about the cards?
I borrowed my sister's phone and called my bank right away. I said, "Hi, this is Megan Wilson. I lost my wallet. Can you please block my cards?" The man was very nice. 2 minutes? Blocked.
Perfect. Fast move.
Yes, always call the bank first. Money safe.
And the ID? Driver's license?
That was annoying. I had to go to the DMV later and pay for a new one. But first things first. Cards safe, I'm calm.
So now you're in the middle of New York with no money, no cards. What next?
We walked to the nearest police station. It was only 5 blocks away.
Did you feel nervous to talk to the police?
A little. My English was okay, but I was stressed. I practiced in my head. "Hi, officer. I lost my wallet. Can I make a report?"
And how did it go?
The police officer was super kind. He smiled and said, "Don't worry, it happens every day." He took my name, my address, what the wallet looked like, small, red, leather. He gave me a paper with a number.
A police report number, important for insurance or new ID.
Exactly.
Okay, honest question. Did you ever get the wallet back?
Yes! 3 days later. A very nice man found it on the subway floor. All the cash was gone, but cards and ID still inside.
Wow, honest person.
So honest. He called the number on my library card. Yes, I have a library card in my wallet. And my mom got the message.
Happy ending.
Very happy. I sent him a big thank you gift card.
That's an amazing story. So let's make a simple list for our friends watching. What should you do if you lose your wallet?
Okay, repeat after us, nice and slow.
Step 1. Stop and breathe. Don't run around like crazy.
Step 2, try to remember the last place you used it.
Step 3. Go back and look carefully.
Step 4, call your bank and block your cards immediately.
Step 5. Go to the police station and make a report.
Step 6, tell your friends or family so they can help.
And bonus step, put a small paper with your phone number or email in your wallet, not your home address.
Smart. That's how I got mine back.
Has this ever happened to you, friends? Write in the comments. We read everything.
Yes. Tell us your story. Good ending or bad ending? We want to know.
Exactly. And one more thing. Megan, what did you learn from that day?
2 big things. First, never put your wallet in the back pocket. Buy a small bag or front pocket only.
Front pocket gang.
Second, stay calm. If you panic, you can't think. Breathe and do one step at a time.
So true. Problems feel smaller when you do one little step, then the next.
Exactly. You're not alone. It happens to everyone.
Even me. Last year in Los Angeles, I lost my phone on the bus. Same panic, but I found it at the bus station 2 hours later.
See? Good people exist everywhere.
Okay, friends, that's our story for today. We hope you never lose your wallet, but if you do, now you know what to do.
Practice these sentences with us. Save this video and listen many times.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
See you in the next conversation. Stay safe and keep practicing your English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. For more amazing content, and subscribe to Fluent Fusion English.